Hi, this is Chef Sabi wishing everyone at Amity University a very happy International Tourism Day 2020. As you all know, that tourism is one of the largest contributor towards the Indian economy and economies around the globe. I'm super thrilled and excited to hear what you're doing in the new normal as we are all facing this unknown enemy called COVID, and we have to get on with our lives. I'm very impressed to hear the arrangements that you have made to host your own event, this whole 2-hour-long event, but entirely digitally, staying at the comfort and safety of your own homes. This is absolutely a great initiative towards the new normal. I wish you all great success and good luck with the event. I will be there to see this live with you guys. Congratulations. This is my personal message to all students at Amity University Hospitality School, Jaipur. You are the future of this nation and you're definitely the future of the tourism and hospitality of this country. I'm super proud of you and I look forward to seeing each and every one of you shining and doing amazing things in future. Wishing everybody at Amity University Hospitality Management a very happy World Tourism Day 2020 all over again. Wish you well, good luck, success, stay healthy, stay home, and Chef Sabi signing off.
Good day everyone. My name is Praveen. I'm the Director of Housekeeping at the Ritz-Carlton, Sarasota, Florida. First and foremost, I would like to congratulate Amity University, Rajasthan for celebrating World Tourism Day in a unique way. And I wish you all a happy World Tourism Day. Tourism is very important. It's important for both developing and developed countries. It plays a very important role in economic and social grounds for any country. That means it's a global affair. It's not a local affair. And you are part of this wonderful industry. Start preparing yourself from now because time will definitely fly. Time will fly and you will not even know that you're working in this industry. Time will definitely teach you a lot of things because time is the best teacher. But you have to definitely make sure that you are prepared for this industry because it's not easy, right? Because we deal with human beings and every person have got different personalities, including yourself, right? So you have to start working on emotional intelligence, also known as EQ, right? So first thing is self-awareness, right? You have to make sure that you know yourself first. Your emotional awareness, how do you react to different situations or scenarios? That will definitely help you to build your self-confidence. Self-regulation is one more thing, right? You have to make sure that you set standards for yourself. Honesty, integrity, right? How do you adapt to different situations is very important. Innovation is very important. The third thing is motivation. Of course, there are so many leaders. There will be so many leaders around you who will be motivating you. But first and foremost, you have to be a self-motivator, right? You have to know how you can achieve your goals. That's the best motivator. Set a goal for yourself. Have a monthly goal. Have a yearly goal, which will show your achievements and which will definitely motivate you. Fourth thing is empathy, right? You have to be aware that how you make other people feel, right? Because people will forget what you said, but they will definitely remember how you made them feel. Empathy is very important. And the fifth thing is social skills. Being in this industry, you'll be meeting new people every day, right? So you have to make sure that you are social skills are good, and you have to make sure that you work on your communication, right? Well, communication doesn't mean that how well you speak in English or Hindi or any other language, but whether you are able to deliver a message to others. That's very important, right? So, I would love to see you as a future leader in this industry. Wish you all a happy World Tourism Day again and wish you good luck. Thank you very much.
Good day and good morning to all the students from the beautiful city of Canberra here in Australia. And I would like to wish all the students of Amity International College a very happy Tourism Day. I would also like to extend my thanks and gratitude to Dr. Pal and my college mate Jai Sonkar for providing me this opportunity to speak to you all through this platform and inviting me again. I would also like to acknowledge that yes, these are very difficult times for not only all the students but for all the industry professionals. But one thing that we have seen in the past is that hospitality industry has the resilience and has the ability to bounce back stronger every time we are presented with any such crisis situations. My message is very simple. I would urge you all who are pursuing their career in hospitality industry to stay positive, stay focused, and stay self-motivated towards your studies and keep working harder towards acquiring new skills or working on your existing knowledge and updating it so that you are in a better position to present yourself to the new opportunities when the industry will reopen and bounce back. Finally, I would like to finish this message on a very high and positive note by wishing you all a very happy Tourism Day yet again, and good day and good luck for your future.
Welcome to one and all from MIT University of Rajasthan. I am Narendra Babu, General Manager of Courtyard by Marriott Madurai, down south of Tamil Nadu. First and foremost, let's join our hands together to show our sincere gratitude for all the frontline workers who shown their dedication and courage towards these hard times. And I feel it is a privilege to honor and address the students of MIT School of Hospitality on the eve of World Tourism Day. And it's great to know that all of you are still getting connected through a virtual conference. That shows that how passionate you are while you are doing your studies and what is your future about when you pass it out from your hospitality school as well. The world is open. Whether you would like to join in hotels, airlines, hospitality industry or various segments, be passionate in what you do and how you do it. Every organization's success comes from a group of team members. It's not one person, individual contribution, but it's a team's contribution overall in terms of various aspects. India is rich in heritage and its culture. The word Atithi Devo Bhava plays, it's been successful for all of us since so many ages. So let's continue the same passion in what you do and how you deliver it in the coming years ahead as well. And you all are the future leaders of hospitality industry. So the future is in your hands. It's been 2 decades for me in this industry, and I'm very happy to inform that my journey has been smooth. There are lots of ups and downs, but you need to learn that hard way to face all of them and then reach to your success. Have a goal in your life, and you will be finding so many mentors through your journey who will guide you in the correct manner. Always do remember, do good, be good, and you start feeling good. Thank you one and all.
Hello everyone. I am Angad Singh, Assistant Food and Beverage Manager, Ramada Jaipur. I am very happy that the students of Amity University are doing great on World Tourism Day. Yes, somebody has to take a call. I have always seen that the students of Amity University are always at the best. I know you all are little worried for the future of hospitality sector, but the truth is pandemic is temporary and shall pass. Thus, we should continue to plan for the future as well as take steps to reduce long-term damage from coronavirus and drive faster recovery. According to the New York Post, millennials are the most eager to get back out and explore the world after the coronavirus ends. Industry will definitely bounce back as we have taken all the precautionary to make us safe and secure. We have learned so many things in this pandemic situation. Stop worrying about the potholes in the road and enjoy the journey. Industry is waiting to welcome you all to be the part of this hospitality and tourism sector. I wish you all the best. Have a good day. Thanks.
Namaskar. Rahul Kanango, General Manager, UK27, the Fern Belagavi. Fern Belagavi is a part of the Concept Hospitality. Concept Hospitality, as we have presence in almost 60 locations and with almost 80 hotels across the country, and also we have presence in Seychelles and Nepal. We are very happy to know that Amity School of Hospitality is celebrating the World Tourism Day on 27 September. World Tourism Day, which initially started at 1980, and the basic focus was to promote tourism. So I'm glad that under the guidance of Professor Sanjeev Paul, the students of Amity University has decided to celebrate this day and to promote tourism, which is very important at this juncture, as we all know that Corona has put the entire world into a jeopardy. The economy of the country and the world is actually crumbling, and hopefully we are end of this dark tunnel. We can see already some lights at the end of the tunnel, and I'm sure this will be a new beginning of life. The hospitality industry, which is getting accustomed to the new normals, are being forced or compelled to look into the entire gamut of operations very closely, and I'm sure lot more inventions, lot more forward thinking will make a solid impact in the industry, and I'm sure industry will come back very strongly. I wish all of you at the Amity School of Hospitality, the faculties, the management and the students all the best. Happy World Tourism Day.
Hi friends, wishing you all a very happy World Tourism Day. This is me, Harjeet Wasan. I have been in the industry for last 28 years now, and I believe that students at your institute, the Amity Jaipur, are doing something different this time because of the current situation. You all are celebrating this World Tourism Day digitally. So that's a great thing that you people are doing, because as we are all aware that we are facing this situation here, and our industry, the tourism and the hospitality industry, is really hit bad. But the best part is that we all bounce back very fast, because we all are known for our positivity, our patience and our commitment to our industry. It's a passion industry, so we all adapt very fast and then we come back very fast as a normal thing. So as you all are aware that hospitality industry is really going through a different situation as of now. So we have adapted a lot of new things, in which this digitalization is also a key thing. You know, we are doing a lot of things remotely. We are doing a lot of things as far the technology is concerned. So I'm very happy to know and learn from your college professors that you people are celebrating this great day digitally, and you have done a lot of research and work on that. So I wish you all the very best, and I'm sure we all will come back very soon to the normal and have a great day. Thank you.
Hello everyone,
My name is Kiran Kumar Reddy. First of all, I want to thank you for Amity School of Hospitality Management Rajasthan for giving me this opportunity to interact with the future leaders and future hospitality professionals. I wish you all happy Tourism Day. Every year it is celebrated. So this year it is on September 27th, and it's nice. To every one of you, you must be all thinking what is happening, what is our future, what is going to happen to this tourism industry, right? If you ask me, the future is going to be bright. This is a phase of time. For us, definitely it is first time our generation is facing this, because if you look at the history, these things have come before also, and they have gone also. And whenever this kind of situation comes, yes, it creates a lot of panic, it creates a lot of confusion, but we all should be thoughtful of what we are going to do now. My suggestions to all of you is utilize this time. Utilize this time in improving your skills, in improving your knowledge. Take help of your lecturers, take help of the industry professionals. Because at this time, yes, maybe the tourism industry is not fully functional, but definitely when things become normal, there is a huge demand for all of us. So you all have to be prepared for that. When there is a need, then definitely people will look for the people, those who are talented and skillful. So improve your skills and get ready for that. Yes, definitely this COVID had taught everyone in this world about the hygiene factors and a lot of things. And I can say better than us who will know about it. So guys, don't lose your hope. The future is definitely going to be bright and we will bounce back. So I wish you all the best for every one of you. Yes, I didn't told about myself, right? So actually my name is Kiran Kumar Reddy. Right now I am working as a Director of Operations for a real estate company which provides office spaces to a grade A clients for a longer periods. Before that I worked for hotels companies like Oberoi's, Hyatt, Marriott's, Accor Groups, and now I moved to here. So there, guys, I'm telling there are a lot of opportunities in the tourism industry. Hotels, facilities, travel agencies, there are n number of things. So guys, there is definitely going to be a better future, and be ready to grab it. Thank you so much. Happy Tourism Day.
Hi, good afternoon. My name is Abhijit Raizada. I've been an hospitality professional since past 23 years, and I'm presently working in the Hotel Piccadilly, Lucknow as a business development manager. First of all, I would like to give my best wishes for Amity School of Hospitality, Jaipur, Rajasthan, as they are going to celebrate their World Tourism Day on 27th September. It is a very important event for us in the hospitality and the travel and trade industry, and that is how we are going to celebrate it with all the fun and programs which are lined up for this particular event. Now, all of us are aware that presently we are facing the pandemic of Corona, and the hospitality industry has been very hard hit with after the Corona has come to our country. Of course, in the entire globe, people are feeling the after effects of this pandemic. But this time will also pass and the industry will revive, and we will continue to do our best as always. Presently, we have tried to open up our rooms, our F&B outlets, our restaurant. We are trying to inform the guests that please do come to us, avail our services, as we are following all the standards of hygiene and sanitation which are required to beat this pandemic. I would like to give all the students the message that nothing is permanent. This pandemic will also pass, and we are going to overcome this with the best of colors, and we will see the the flag of hospitality industry flying high as always, right? So I again wish all the students of MIT School of Hospitality, Jaipur, Rajasthan for a very successful World Tourism Day on 27th September. Thank you.
Hey, good morning students, how are you? Hi, my name is Pratik Vyas, I am the Director of Housekeeping at the Ritz-Carlton Grand Cayman. On this special day of International World Tourism Day, I really wanted to congratulate all the MIT University students and wishing you best of luck for the future. Have a wonderful day.
Hello MIT University student. I just want to greet you happy International Tourism Day. Welcome to the tourism world. All the best in your careers.